Okay, I've got your ad up, and you know what I just realized? I just realized I've never said your name out loud. Quintao? Boy, that's a tough one. Quintawa? Quintawa? I hope I'm getting that right. It's such a beautiful name, and the way it's written is just gorgeous. Boy, I sure hope I said that right. Maybe you could break it down for me. I know every time I see your posts and I see your name, I'm like, gosh, I really wish I had the pronunciation. Anyway, okay, let's take a look at your ad. It's a good setup. It's a darn good setup. Page mechanics are good. I'm not sure about the image. I'm going to talk about the image in a second, but right now I think that let's talk about the setup itself. Okay, using the image as a background is a great idea. Headline, subhead, body copy, logo, contact information. Good, smart layout. I think that's smart. Okay, a couple of problems that we have here. This ad is supposed to be near completion, or actually it's supposed to be completed. This isn't a headline. This is called a placeholder, and this is a placeholder, and this is Greeking, and this is placeholder text. So we're kind of not done yet. You need to add an active headline. Don't forget, part of this assignment is the actual promotion itself. So what I would like you to do is add actual verbiage to the headline and the subhead. Okay, bring the subhead a little closer to the headline to draw some continuation there. Some by proximity, we'll know that these are related to each other, the headline and the subhead. Right now, they're kind of far away. All right, the next thing I'd like you to do is think about alignment. The way that the body copy is placed, you should take this line right here. Let me come in. All right, let's show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to draw a guide right there to where your body copy is. Now, let's go ahead and take that type and align it with the body copy. Okay, and you could probably even take this text right here and draw your text block so that that aligns too. Okay, so we have the subhead, body copy, and the contact information all in alignment. All right, then what you want to do is take this headline here and make sure that everything on the right side is in alignment. Let me show you. I'm going to draw a guide there. There's the logo. Let's pull the alignment from the headline so the last letter of the headline aligns with the logo. I think that's really going to clean some things up in terms of alignment and visual harmony. This right here is bold text, and you don't want to use bold text. Oh, let me show you another point of alignment. At the top of the logo right there. Let's align that text with the top of the logo. Okay. Don't use bold text. Okay. It looks to me like you're using bold text because that's the only thing that's going to be visible. It also looks like the text is in black because that's the only thing that's going to be visible. That to me indicates an issue with the actual image itself. If you have to say to myself, well, let me see, the only way that you can read this text over this image is if I make it bold. Well, now you're letting the image dictate your design decisions, and I think that's a mistake. I think you should select a different image, one that is more suitable to adding. I would go with white text. I think white text would really lighten up the ad. As far as the image itself goes, I don't think this is a good image to use. Let me explain why. It's too desolate. Okay, don't forget, this is what's going to be a world-class resort in St. Thomas. So you want to show, like right now, this looks like, it looks like kind of a brushy, kind of dirty trail going down to like a dirty beach with the water and the reef. And it just honestly doesn't look like the most inviting image in the world. Specifically, if we compare it to, let's go over here and let's jump down to this example. And let me just show you, look at this image right here. Okay, again, it's a beach that's not that crowded, so it's showing like this relaxing, just like you have a beach that's not filled with people. But look how much more inviting this image is than this image. There's this little, it's too difficult because you just don't know what's going on. It almost looks like it could be, if you were alone, would you go down there alone? I don't know if I would, because the cliff looks like it's kind of treacherous right here. Walking down there's no real easy way to get there. Once you get down there, it just seems like, boy, I don't know. Let me zoom in here and see what we got going on over down in there. Oh, wait a second. Those are all people. Oh, okay, that, I'm glad I looked at that. Yeah, that definitely, I would definitely change that. This is too far away of an image. Those are people down there and we don't even recognize it. It kind of looks like it's just clutter over the beach. This is so far away from the focal point. I would definitely try to consider something that's a little bit more inviting in terms of being an intimate image of an area that you would want to actually have an interaction with. I want to walk down this beach. Sign me up. Do I want to walk down this cliff to get to this beach? I'm going to pass on that. Okay. All right. So that's what I got. Good job. Very much. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact me and I'll be glad to clarify. All right. Thank you very much. Great job.